Today I'm taking my dancer's pose upside down, coming into my trainer, getting into a tuck. I got in fast. I always recommend getting in slow, but you know, when you practice getting in slow a lot, the way that we work in fitness is we start with awareness, then we can add speed, then we can add power. So that's why I want everybody to start slowly and get the mindfulness, and then you can add a little speed later. But starting fast doesn't make sense because we skip stuff and we don't feel stuff. So here we are, moving our knees up into an upright posture, connecting with the front body, connecting with the glutes, and first of all, establishing a balance with a relaxed neck. So right now I'm feeling balanced. I know I don't have to use my hands a lot, but they're there for my safety. And then I can maybe release one arm. If I start to hold this foot, I might find that I start to go into a back bend if my other leg is back, or I might be able to stabilize holding this foot with my inner thighs pressing together. And I can start to press that foot back into my hand a little bit for a dancer's pose. Not moving into so much of a back bend, but working toward neutral spine, engaging that front body. Then this other knee might come, just like you would tip over in a dancer's pose. This knee might come forward. You gotta hold on tight with the other hand to connect. Still inner thighs moving towards center. Maybe this leg will go out while the other one pushes back into the hand. So we have an upside down, relaxing neck, relaxing jaw and tongue, relaxing shoulders, dancer's posture. Am I really trying to point my toes? No, because yoga feet aren't pointed toes. Yoga feet are spread out toes, pressing through pinky toe and big toe and the ball, the big toe mound, the ball of the foot, and using those arches of the feet to stabilize and press into the hand that's holding that foot. Now making way down slowly, because that was a bit of a back bend there. I'll take a nice little forward bend hanging out on my shoulder blades on the way down, opening my legs, relaxing a bit before I go down, and of course taking some time when I arrive to allow my body to re-establish equilibrium with the head above the heart, because I was there for a while. So I'll give it a while to come back. Enjoy your dancing. Dance for joy.